everyone, as requested today we'll be making Bomby Briyani recipe, so let's get started. I've got all my ingredients ready and now we begin cooking. Add 3/4 cup of cooking oil and as it gets hot, add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix for 5 minutes on medium flame, then add 2 large sliced onions. Continue stirring until it gets golden brown. Extract a bit which we'll be using for garnish later on. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of fresh diced ginger and continue frying. Then add 1 kilogram of chicken and mix until well combined. Once the chicken is golden brown, add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt, zira powder and garlic powder and mix well. Then add 2 tablespoons of Bomby Briyani masala. At this point, consider the chicken to have fully incorporated the biryani flavor that we need. Next, add 6 large tomatoes which you can grind in a juicer as I did. Pour and let it cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Add half a bowl of yogurt and 4 tablespoons of Bomby Briyani masala. Mix, then add to the masala that we're preparing. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. To cook the rice, add 3 large cups of sela chawal. This quality works best for me, which is why I use it. Wash it well, then fill it with water. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, kali ilaichi, and chicken cube, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well and let it boil. We want it to be 70% cooked, not more, not less. For garnish, we'll be using curry patte, lemon, chopped coriander, green chilies, food color. I'm going to take 2 bowls, one in which I'm going to add lots of water and a little bit of color, and the other I'm going to add less of water and more of color. Then I'm going to mix half a teaspoon of kera into each bowl, and now we begin the cooking process. To begin assembling, I'm going to add a bit of the masala and some of the rice. Then I'm going to add lots of rice and lots of masala on top of it. Then I'm going to add a bit of color and chopped coriander, green chilies, lemon. Repeat the process again, similarly like we did. Now you can also add the dark food color that we prepared. So we have like mix of yellow and orange and white. If you would want it to be spicier, you can add more of shan masala on top, then add curry patte and cover. For garnish, we're going to saute the onion that we took out earlier until it's dark brown. I left the rice cooking under very low flame for 30 to 40 minutes until it's ready. Take out the curry patte and mix it well, and your biryani is finally ready. It smells delicious. I can't wait to dive in. I hope you like this recipe.